Good evening to one and all. My name is Vijayashree from Tenali 2 branch. So first of all, I would like to say Happy World Environmental Day, and this is the poster Happy World Environmental Day. If you are observing the carefully, the words is also in different colors and the chart also in different colors. So what are the colors when I am using by preparing this chart? So there are so many colors is there. Do an activity. Just close your eyes and observe. You have to remember what are the colors if you are observing in this chart. S. So is this any part is helpful to do this task? S. That is the brain. So today the topic is brain. The topic is the brain. This is the brain. So everybody know that one. Brain is the part in our body. But you don't know that one. What are the nature of the brain and what are the parts is involved in that brain? What are the functions of those parts? These all things if you are seeing in this video, you have to know that one. So first of all, the nature of the brain. What is the nature of the brain means? It is a delicate jelly-like organ as well as flexible also. Soft in nature also. Have you seen the jelly-like chocolate? Yes. Have you seen the jelly-like chocolate? When we are touching the jelly-like chocolate, it is a very soft in manner. Say like that. I am correct or not? Yes. Very soft in nature. Like that only the brain is involved in that. Brain is present in our body. Madam, if you are saying the brain is very soft in nature, but when we touch our head, it will be very harder. Why, madam? If you are like that, there is one reason behind that one. The brain is protected from the skull, and the skull is made up of very hard and strong bones. That's why when we are touching in our head, it will be a hardy manner. So, the brain and the skull. There is a small space present in the brain and skull. Those space is filled with one fluid, and that fluid name is cerebrospinal fluid. What is that fluid name? Cerebrospinal fluid. So, what is the function of this fluid? This function of fluid means when we are from the jugs, the brain is protected from the jugs. The fluid is present in the skull and brain, which is helpful to protect the brain from jugs. So what is meant by jug, ma'am? So that is the home task to you. What is the meaning of jugs? You have to find out that one. So coming to the parts of the brain: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. These three parts is having the brain. So first part, this is the largest part in our brain, and that is called as a cerebrum. That is called as a cerebrum. So the uppermost part and largest part is called cerebrum. So coming to the functions of the cerebrum. So what are the functions of the cerebrum? When I am starting this video, I will ask one question to you. What is that question? What are the colors is presenting in this chart? You have to remind in that one, and you have to say very in correct manner also. So by doing that activity with the help of cerebrum. So what are the functions of cerebrum means? Thinking, remembering and learning also. Thinking, remembering and learning also. So these are the functions of the cerebrum. So what is the cerebrum function? It helps us to think, remember and learn. Think, remember and learn. So this is the functions of the cerebrum. So this is, I would already say that one, this is the largest and uppermost part of the brain. That's why it will be divided into the two hemispheres. First one is the right hemisphere and the next one is the left hemisphere. So what are the two hemispheres functions? So right hemispheres, it controls the emotions, creativity and artistic ability. And also it controls the left side functions of the body parts. As well as left hemisphere, it controls the right side functions of the body parts and also responsible for the reading, writing, logical thinking. These are the functions of the cerebrum. Okay, and coming to the next one. What is the next part? Cerebellum. So what is the next part? Cerebellum. So you have to know that one, these functions also. I am explaining that one. So see this one. First, I will example. I will know this one and showing you. So it controls the movement and maintain the balance of the body. It controls the movement and maintain the balance of the body. So for example, if you are moving from one place to another place by walking, by jumping and by running, these all things, if you are doing the activities from moving one place to another place, by doing this all activity, which part is helpful in the brain? Cerebellum. What is that part? Cerebellum. Okay. So what are the functions of the cerebellum? Movement and maintaining the balance of the body. So if you are standing in one leg, the total body weight is present in the one leg only. At that time also you have to maintain the balance of the body because of this cerebellum. Say, am I clear that one? Okay, next coming to that one. Last and part, medulla oblongata. The stem-like structure is called as a medulla oblongata, and this medulla oblongata is connected with the spinal cord. What is the spinal cord? What is the functions is there? I will explain it into my later classes. First of all, listen the functions of the medulla oblongata. It regulates the functions such as heartbeat, circulation of the body and breathing. What is the functions? Heartbeat, circulation of the blood and breathing. So if you all know that one, these are all the inner functions of the in our body. So the medulla oblongata controls the inner functions of the body. Okay. So the heartbeat it regulates in all the time, and the circulation of the blood also, as well as breathing sense also. When we are sleeping time also, the functions are in running manner. Say yes sir. Why? Because the medulla oblongata is responsible and as well as working position when we are sleeping time also. That is the reason. Okay. The medulla oblongata working when we are sleeping time also. That's why the heart beating and circulation of the blood, breathing processes, these all the functions is continuously running throughout the days. So this is the topic. These all are the functions of the brain. Have you understand very carefully? Have you listened very carefully? And as well as I hope you understand very much also. So I would like to give one home task to you. What is the home task means? This is the home task to you. So what are the words is find in this gradient? You have to find out that one. So what are the words related to this topic? I will give this grid. So some words: cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, jugs, brain. These are all words is hidden in this grade. You have to find out that one. Thank you all of you for listening this video.